Hi, this is Rhonda Welch, and this is my new consultant, Amy Watkins. We're here today to talk about Norwex and kind of how it all works so that you can understand the product when you are using it in your own home. So we're going to start with the basic cloth, which is the EnviroCloth. This is the backbone of the company. These two cloths right here, this EnviroCloth and the window cloth. So what makes our cloths unique and so different than any other cloths that you can get is that we have split our fibers 1/200 the size of a human hair, which in the US that only has to be 1/6 the size of a human hair. So we have the technology that has given us lots of fingers with which to pick up things off the surface. We have EPA approval that we pick up 99% of the bacterial contaminant from the surface. So you are cleaning. You're not, by the fact that you fold this cloth and wipe, you have actually picked up 99% of the contaminant from the surface and put it into the cloth. We have patented the words called backlock, which you can't see from here, but there's a word on the cloth that says backlock. What that means is that you have split the fibers and infused the fibers with a micro silver. The silver is actually, once you've picked up that bacteria, the silver then goes in to work inside the cloth and breaks up that DNA of the bacteria, causing it to mutate, die, and shed off the cloth. So it's important when they are wet, you use the tag provided to hang your cloth with. This one is your go-to workhorse cloth. You're going to use it for everything. It's best used wet. You can pick up with it dry, but it's more efficient when it is damp. So then this cloth you're going to use dry. After you have wiped down a countertop like this or your refrigerator, some things just require polishing to make them shine and not be streaky, and that's where this cloth comes in. Same fibers, same split, 1/200 the size of human hair, same silver infused in the cloth. So then you can polish your stainless steel, your granite, your marble, your black refrigerators that we'll go over here in a few minutes. So that is the basics of Norwex. We pick up 99% of the bacteria. We are split 1/200 the size of a human hair, and you will have less product. You don't use anything. It is just with just water that you clean with. So Norwex with just water.